If you are serious about learning WordPress, then this video is for you. I recommend that you purchase a throwaway domain name, and purchase a shared web hosting plan for a live website. The total cost is only $15 for 1 year for both of these. You are not wasting this money. This is as close as you can get to a real-world scenario without committing to building your real website. You can experiment and explore all you want. If you mess up, then just reload WordPress and start over again. Here are your options. At the end of the year, just quit, and let everything go away. That's what will happen in 12 months, by default, if you don't pay any more money. Another option is to use a plugin to change the domain name and download your work to your local computer, then upload your website to a new hosting company. A third choice is to keep the domain name and the website. This should cost around $50 for the second year. This is the cheapest classroom you can get. You will get a domain name and hosting. You can follow whatever tutorials you can find. Wait. There is more. You also get a cPanel to play with. You can create forwarders that use your domain name but deliver email to your personal mailbox. You will have a full working copy of WordPress from WordPress.org. This is not something I am selling. Instead, I am going to guide you through buying this through Namecheap.com. You can probably explore this process at slightly more than $15 from any other web hosting company such as HostGator or GoDaddy. Open Google page. Search for Namecheap. Go to Namecheap.com. Select Hosting. And then select Shared Hosting. We are going to sign up for the Stellar plan on the left. It is shown as $1.18. Web hosting is priced per month, but is sold by the year. Namecheap normally quotes this plan for $288 per month, but collects $35 for the year. Your money is non-refundable even if you quit before 12 months. Right now it is on sale. Our cost, today, will be $15 for the first year, and the price includes both web hosting and a free domain. At the end of your year, you can choose to just drop everything and you've only spent $15. Or, you can renew your domain name and your hosting plan. Different domains cost different amounts. A .com runs about $9 per year. Web hosting will cost $34 per year more. But today, you can expect to spend about $15 for 1 year, and a year from now you can decide whether to spend about $43 more for a second year. There are lots of other goodies that are included, and you can explore them later. For now, the first step is to click on Get Started. Step number 2 is to select and connect a domain name. The New Domain Name is already highlighted. And New Purchase is already selected. At the bottom of this screen is a search box labeled Find a Domain Name. The box itself says Search for Domains. You will want to get a domain, anyway, because this is a free domain name that is included in the $15 price. Type in something short, such as mytempwp. The name can be anything. You can use numbers and dashes in your domain name, such as mytempwp-123. Shorter is easier to type. Remember, this is a domain name that you may, or may not, want to keep. If the .com name is available, you can purchase it for about $9. If you scroll down the search results, you can see additional choices with a zero price. We want to select one of these. Very faintly, on the right, Namecheap shows the normal price next to the word renews. For example, .eu costs 0 today and renews next year at $9 a year. And the .fun extension renews at $19 per year. Personally, I like the .pw extension. It is free today, and if I choose to keep it, my cost will be $9.88 the second year. Choose the domain you want to use, and click on Connect to Hosting. The screen will bounce around, then offers you a chance to search for another domain name. At the bottom of the screen is a summary of what you are purchasing. Shared Stellar Hosting, a domain name, and your total price for today. If you're sure that is the domain name you want to grab, then simply click on Add to Cart. Your shopping cart appears. Turn off the auto renew buttons. If you forget, just remember to turn them off later. You can ignore these other options to improve your site. You do not need to pay for additional SSL. You do not need VPN even though it is giving you a free trial. You do not need EasyWP WordPress because we will be installing WordPress from cPanel. You do not need professional email. Remember that this is a throwaway domain and you are not interested in using this account for any permanent email. Namecheap will allow you to add any of these options if you want to buy them later. But for now, just click on Confirm Order. You need to sign into your Namecheap account, or if you do not have a Namecheap account you can create one here. After this, follow the instructions to add a credit card and pay your $15. Finally, here are some hints to help you get started. Open cPanel. The first thing you want to do is create a forwarder email address. You can use something like WordPress at your domain name, or admin at your domain name. Do this before you install WordPress because the installation script wants an admin email address. After you finish installing WordPress, then add a maintenance plugin and change the setting to discourage search engines from indexing your site. Good luck and have fun.